So this is my mapping this morning on gold. So yesterday when I did my analysis, I told you guys that gold might take out this high, this particular high, or this. And if take out this or this, here, this zone should be the level that we're going to buy gold, and which that's how it happened yesterday. It dropped and moved like like 100 and roughly 200 pips. But I didn't take this entry because it was too fast. It just tap into a exact level I was looking at and just bounced back. So I didn't take this trade. And according to the sell we took yesterday, this is the entry here. The entry was somewhere here, I think. If I could remember the exact number. Well, let me not waste much time. But last entry I took was here, and this gold dropped like 80 pips. So I closed some position and I made money from this. But the rest of the position, this candle took me out at break even. I mentioned it on my Telegram channel that whoever wants to hold should hold with break even. So I don't know whether if any of you took this buy. If you did, just drop it on the comment section because I analyzed it on the video. So this is what I'm looking at today. Right now, the way gold is somehow confusing. It's not certain. It's somehow confusing. I'm not seeing an exact zone to take, or I'm seeing two levels or two scenarios that might happen. It's like what happened yesterday, because when I was talking about this yesterday, I also told you guys that gold did change of character, and that there is every possibility that this buy might continue. That's which happened, where this one just dropped and massively pump up. That's scenario I'm seeing here again now. I'm seeing two buy and sell levels here. So I don't know the one that might play out because nobody can really tell 100% what will happen here. But this is what will happen, and we are going to follow it when it started occurring. Now there is opportunity to sell here and there is opportunity to buy, because this zone is still valid. This zone is still valid. Yesterday when gold dropped here, this is the first touch, and coming back again, this is second touch. So there's a possibility gold will take out these levels here and come back, then move and take out this one, come back and keep moving up. There's every possibility this is what will happen, because as you can see, gold have done higher high here according to this move, because here I can call here lower low, I can call here lower low, I can call here higher high. If you are looking what is happening here, and this might be the lower high, then next thing is for gold to take out here, take out this level and do another higher high, and then come back to somewhere this zone to do a lower high. This is the scenario that might happen. So if this occur, then we are going to look for buy. And where are we going to start looking for that buy? It will be here. We are going to start looking for buy from here. Well, definitely if this gold want to move, it will break this, and it must definitely come back and continue moving, then before taking out this. or if there is a momentum that gold just fly and took this out, then we still wait for gold to come back to somewhere here for we to look for a buy. It might reject on this, but taking a trade here will be a high risk trade. Taking a buy here will be a high risk trade. So it's better we wait for it to come down to somewhere this zone. This one will be a low risk trade. At least stop can be somewhere here. And this is another scenario here right now. You can see that this is double top here. Gold have done a double top, and this is a trend line here, and this is a trend line here. Gold have broke this trend line and test it here. While testing this one, at the same time rejecting on this. I will teach you guys about this later. I will make a video about this trend line. They call it S. That's what happened here. Touching the one that is broke and touching the one that is coming down. The current one is called X. I will teach you guys about it later. So now a confirmed buy here, sell here. It was in the night Asian session. I didn't take it, and it has dropped like 90 pips. So gold did double top here, and you guys can see that this is the low, and it broke it, then come back here, confirm on S and drop. Then if this downtrend is going to continue, this is what will happen this morning. Gold will come back to this zone, then drop and take out this level here. Then taking it out, it might also take out the trend line, then coming back to retest on this zone back with this trend line and continue going down. This is something else that will happen. So we are going to look for a sell here if this happens, and all these zones is where we are going to look for sell. And the other scenario I did, those zones is where we are going to look for a buy. So this is the two stuff that is, this is the two scenario I'm seeing on gold now. And actually I don't know the one to follow. If we look at 4 hours time frame, yes, gold is in uptrend here, because I pointed this one out yesterday that I might use this as change of character. I know it's only just a shadow, it's only just a single candle, but it also took out this particular broker is what made this stuff to be showing this way. Other broker, it showed well, like up to 2 candles. You can see that it did a neat change of character here. So now this 4 hours is an uptrend and it's coming back to this particular level, which that's level I told you guys yesterday that we're going to look for buy, which happened. But another thing again, you can see that there is a bearish engulfing here, and the gold broke it on 4 hours time frame. So expecting to come back to continue if this downtrend is going to continue. But I don't know. But right now on this 4 hours time frame, we are still in uptrend. And on daily time frame, we are still in uptrend, but there is something here. You can see this level here. Gold broke it yesterday. So this is the actual zone is this. This is the real zone here, and gold has not taken out this high. So somehow you can still say that this daily is somehow on a downtrend, because if I'm using this one candlestick, it did change of character with this one candlestick, as in this one sell here, he broke it, he did change of character with it, and coming up for this go to do another, would like say change of character or this uptrend to be completed, it has to take out this high. Has to take out this high. So it will be like this is the higher high. This is the higher high. And this is the lower, as in the, sorry, this is the higher low. So mind draws as I'm doing. Don't mind me, guys. So this is the higher low. If you take out this side, the higher high and the higher low. But now it has not taken out this side. So probably gold is respecting this resistance here on 4 hours time frame. So as I said, the way gold is now is somehow confusing. But we are going to still trade and we're going to still make money today. So let's see what is going to happen. If gold fail to go back to this zone, take out this 50 moving average, then coming back to this zone, we might look for a sell. Or if you take out this trend line, then coming back to this, we might look for a sell. So there is a different scenario here because there is also a resistance here. There is a resistance there. So if you take out here and here, probably it will respect this trend line and respect this one and start dropping. So just stay active on my Telegram channel, so I will keep you guys posted with the actual one I'm going to take. But if you can trade by yourself, just follow all these directions. One of them will definitely play out. And if any of them fail, you cut your losses and recounter the trend. If you took a buy, a sell here, and it fell and take out all this one, just change the direction and start buying. So let's see how this will play out, guys. Stay safe.